chocolate chip cookies recipe. It's the time of year when baking and cookies are on the brain, and how doesn't love one of the most perfect chocolate chip cookie recipes? This recipe comes from my very own family. We've been using this one for many years, and I'm sure you will enjoy it too. I have plenty of memories growing up of mixing this up and baking them in the oven. This is also a great recipe for just eating, which I do sometimes, and is also great to roll into small balls and put in homemade ice cream. Ingredients: 3/4 stick butter flavor shortening, 1 1/4 cups firmly packed light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 6-8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, optional. Use a variety of chips like milk, semi-sweet and bitter. Preparation instructions: combine shortening, vanilla, milk and egg together in bowl and lay aside. Combine sugar, flour, salt, and baking soda together. Combine wet and dry ingredients and stir until somewhat stiff. Drop small balls of dough onto prepared cookie sheet about 1 inch apart. Bake at 350 until golden brown. Centers should bounce at the touch.